one?
This particular one, it took me 1 week. One good week. To
just 1 week.
1 week, good week.
Just 1 week, and you were able to do this.
Build everything.
About Nnewi, Anambra State, and this is a drone made in China, and this particular one is another drone made in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. So we want to show you guys that what white people can do, that we can do it down here in Nnewi. Well, we are about to fly these two drones now. You will see how all of them will move from down to the sky. Just watch us and see how it's being done. Hello guys, this is Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria, and while on the streets of Nnewi, we met this young talented engineer. This young man didn't learn how to make aeroplane or drone from anywhere. It is inborn. So he did this drone. Now you can see how it's flying. He constructed it down here in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria, and you can see what he could do without support. How much more if this young man has support? So just watch and see that Nigerians are talented. So when we interviewed this young man, he said so many things about how he started this journey, the projects he has done in the past, and the ones he's planning to do. This man has great plans for the future, big plans. Just listen to his interview. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Urbanized Media. So today we brought you guys another invention from Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. Can you see, guys? Can you see this thing here now? This is a drone that is made in Nnewi, in Anambra State, in Nigeria. And this one now is my own drone I use for my work. This one is made in China. But guess what? What this one can do now, this one can equally do it. This guy just needs small investment in what he's doing, and he will take over the world. Hello.
Hello.
So can you tell the world your name? What's your name?
Okay, my name is Ibelo Chinemeram.
Okay. So can you tell us a bit about this your project?
Okay, this project, I built this airplane from scratch. It took me so many years when I was small. So I'm building many aircrafts. This is the third airplane that I built. So I have built Piper, Cube, Cessna 182. This is Blazer. So what hold my invention? So because I need a sponsor. If I need a sponsor, I will grow forward. I will do more than this. So I need a sponsor so that we can make more than this. Pass white papers. Okay. So we can be able to do more than this.
Okay. What I understand now is that you are calling for sponsorship for this your project. Yes, but then this particular one that you have done now, how long did it take you to complete this project to this level?
This level now, it took me some 19 years.
No, I mean this particular one.
This particular one, it took me 1 week. One good week.
Just 1 week.
1 week, good week.
Just 1 week, and you were able to do this.
Build everything.
Guys, did you hear that? If you can do this thing for just 1 week, could you now imagine what he can do if he gets that sponsorship to acquire that sophisticated machines that will make him to do this work to be faster? But then those are your previous jobs. Yeah. Which year and which year did you do those jobs?
Okay, this plan are those my previous events. So I built all those ones around July, August.
Okay, those two jobs are still this year.
This year,
2023.
This 2-3 plan this year.
Wow! This is amazing. So, what project now are you looking up to next?
Okay, I want to start building drones, military drones.
Military drone.
Yeah, military drones, both agricultural drones. We have agricultural drones.
Okay.
And those ones is spraying. If you want to spray water,
irrigation.
All this vegetable.
You now spray it on the air instead of using the pipes.
Pipes.
Wow. Yes. So, but that particular project now, have you reached out to any agricultural company?
No.
So how do you now intend to market it when you are done?
So I've get the experience, but what hold me now, because I don't have a capital to build around one to show the world example. Example.
So that they can believe in what you are saying.
I'm saying. Yeah.
But them seeing this one, there is no doubt that you can do it now. There is no doubt. There is no doubt you can do it. So you're doing a great job. So I'm calling on big men out there big men out there, you have money, you're looking for a way to invest. You can invest in something like this. Investment is not just about building 4-decking or building hotel, or you can invest in something like this, and when it starts yielding profit, you'll be amazed the kind of money you'll be making from it. So what's that your name again?
Ibelo Chinemerem.
Okay, I'm going to put your number on the screen so that anybody that wants to contact you will call you, and you guys can talk, and from there you can take it to any level.
Is it ready?
We are all set. You know,
you can see the made in Nigeria drone and made in China drone. You can see the made in Nigeria drone and made in China drone. Like that. Bata, can you stand over?
hey! If you go to the Jesus. All speed, yeah, that power code you.
Mega, okay, feeling like you know. Okay, feeling like